In this video, I will show you multiple ways that you can fix moisture detected on your Samsung device. So make sure to watch this video throughout the end, because if one doesn't work, maybe the other one will work. So hopefully one of these methods does fix your problem. Now, first of all, what we want to do is the first method is to head over to our settings. And then once we head over to settings, we need to scroll down until we see the option for battery and device care. Once we click on this, we now need to select battery. From here, you want to scroll down until you see the option for more battery settings. Click on this. And then what you want to do is, obviously, fast charging and fast wireless charging will be enabled. But what we can do first of all is disable these. And then if this doesn't work, what we can do then is we can head all the way back. And we want to make sure we have got developer options enabled. So to enable developer options, all you simply need to do is click in About Phone. You want to go to software information, and then you want to click on the build number around 10 times, and then that will then enable developer options. From there, what we can do is we can go all the way back, click into developer options, and then we want to search for USB settings. From here, once we've done that, we can then click on the settings icon. So once we're on this page right here, what we can do is head over to the battery option, and then once we are in here, we can make sure this is on optimized. So if this is on optimized and this has still not fixed your problem, we can go back, go over to this page. So once we are on the main page of our settings, we can simply click force stop in the bottom right hand corner. So once we click on force stop, what that will do is it will essentially sort of reset your settings here. And then once we've done that and reset your phone, so turn your phone off and then turn it back on again. So once you have done all of these options right here and you have reset your mobile phone, once you turn it back on, that should mean that your mobile is now working as it should. So if any of these methods did work for you, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if it did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.